Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to carry on with our narrative nonfiction picture books, and these are the picture books that are about things that are real. And today the story we're going to look at is called Feathers and Hair, What Animals Wear. I have a couple of samples of feathers. These are feathers from a parrot, and so you can see how beautiful and colorful they are. Um, I also have a real live animal here. This is our pet, Ricky. And Ricky is a dog that has hair that grows just like humans. It's different than a water dog that their fur sheds. His fur just keeps growing and growing. And you could see his tail. He has long fur on his tail, and it's almost like hair. It grows just like a big ponytail. So the story we are going to read today is called Feathers and Hair, What Animals Wear. And the story is written by Jennifer Ward and Jingjing Song. The book is published by Beach Lane Books. Published by Beach Lane Books means that is who the company that made the book. Feathers and Hair, What Animals Wear. Some animals wear feathers, and those animals would be birds. Some animals wear hair. Most mammals have hair. Some animals wear prickly spines and roam without a care. This animal would be a porcupine. Some animals wear armor. This is an animal called an armadillo. Some wear a traveling shell. So this animal is a tortoise. There's also turtles that wear shells. Some wear tough and pointy horns that serve them very well. This animal is a rhinoceros, and I believe this animal would be an antelope. Some animals wear slippery skin, and these are different frogs or toads. Some animals wear scales. You consider a fish to have scales. Some wear skin, not quite thick, not thin, from their noses to their tails. And here, this is an elephant. Some animals wear extra fur, and this is a polar bear, and he would need lots of fur because of where he lives in the north. Some animals dress plain, and here are owls, and their feathers help them to camouflage into the trees, hide in the trees. Some animals wear wild hair that scientists call a mane. The big fur around a male animal, a male lion, is called a mane. Some animals wear color, and that's a chameleon, and they can change colors depending on the leaves that they're laying on, and change their color too. And here's an octopus, and an octopus can also change its color, or a squid. But only one wears clothes from head to toes. And that animal is you. Meet the animals. And here in the back of our book talks about birds. Monkey is a mammal. Porcupines, armadillo, tortoise, hermit crab. Hermit crabs hide in shells. Rhinoceros. Oh, a gazelle. I thought that animal was an antelope. It's actually a gazelle. Frogs, fish, elephants, polar bears, owls, a lion, the chameleon, octopus, seahorse, and humans. Humans are mammals, and we wear skin and hair every day, just like the mammals in this book. Skin covers the entire human body. It keeps our insides in and helps us sense our environment via nerve endings, so when we feel cold or warmth. And it protects us from bumps and bruises and falls. We have hair follicles, that's where your hair comes out of, everywhere on our body except on the palms of our hands and the soles of our feet and on our lips. We have hair all over us. So I hoped you enjoyed that story, and be looking for the different types of feathers and fur as you're out and about. Sometimes you can see a crow feather on the paths when you're walking away. And bye for now.